Hello, good morning, everybody. Ụtụtụ ọma, if this is your morning. Mgbede ehihie ọma, if this is your afternoon. Or mgbede ọma, or abalị ọma, if this is your evening or night. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ ugbu a, oge eruola mgbe anyị ga-amụ asụsụ Igbo. This is time set apart for us to have our live classes. So wherever you are now, you're supposed to be in this live class, you do well to start joining us now. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ịma na ị kwesịrị ịnọ na klaasị a anyị na-enwe ugbu a, biko na-esonyere anyị ugbu a. Onye nkụzi Igbo na ebe a na-eche gị. The Igbo tutor is waiting for you here. So, ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị niile, ebe ọbụla unu nọ na-abata ugbu a, remember, you are a member of this channel. It is time for you to join the class so that we can do this together. And if you are seeing me now, or you are not yet a member of this channel, you do well to hit the join button beside the channel name, the black join button there, and then fulfill the procedure for joining our membership. Once you become a member, you are entitled to this free live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. And in addition to the free live classes every Saturday, you are entitled to free ebook every month, Igbo ebook. This ebook is unique because it comes with audio, which is downloadable. So you have two in one pack, the audio and the ebook, all in one for the price of zero. Once you are a member of the channel, you are entitled to that. So if you join the channel, you are having a double advantage as a member of this channel. Beside this, you have opportunity of having personal interaction with me via WhatsApp or other means through which you can learn more directly from me as a member of the channel, especially if you're a senior channel member. So there is a lot for you to gain from being a member of this channel. So you do well to join our channel membership. The link to join our channel membership is right on our channel description. If you open our channel description, you see a link there. If you go straight to our post, you see links there that will lead you to our posts where you can have link to our channel membership. There are different ways you can get to us. Even these are live classes, previous ones. If you open the description box, you're going to see a link to join our channel membership. So do well to join today. And also, we will appreciate if you can recommend us to your friends to join us also as members so that they can benefit just as you are doing. Chika, Odwa, Ndewo, you are the first to be in class today. We appreciate you so much. Chika, no. Yeah. No. Ndewo, ne. So, let me greet you specially. So you are welcome to class. You are the number one to be in class right on time. Punctuality is the soul of business. So Chika, you've shown you are serious about this business. We appreciate that. Okay, who else is here? What is happening? YouTube is not giving me your names directly. They are giving me your channel at something. So this is Clement Temehe. It's not giving me your name directly again, but I can pick it from your at. Okay, your channel. What do they call this one? Is it a link address or something like that? Before I used to have your names directly, but it's not coming that way again. All the same, you're welcome. Let me welcome Maze Clement Emehe. No. Okay. Mazi Emehe. Okay. Okay. No, Mazi Emehe. All right. You are welcome. Two of you are very punctual to class. Emehe is very punctual and also not missing. Of course, Chika's supposed to be here last Saturday. She explained she went for something else. She was traveling last Saturday. So Chika, we missed you, but good you are here today. Ndewo, Nwada Chika. Kee maka njem gị na Saturday gara aga. I'm asking Chika now. Kee maka njem gị na Saturday gara aga. We're already talking. We're already learning. We should be free to talk. So, Chika, I'm asking you now. Kee maka njem gị na Saturday gara aga? Let's go. I want Chika to answer this question. We're already discussing. Lesson is already on. I told you this is going to be a free-flowing, interaction. So there's no special format for it. The free talk. So Chika, I asked you question. Can you reply me now? Okay. Where did you travel to last Saturday? No, that's not what I asked. And then Mr. Mehe, please hold on. I want Chika to answer this question, not you. So hold on for Chika to answer this question, Mr. Emehe. Let's follow my guide, please. I am the teacher. So I want everybody to follow me, follow my guide, and respond to my instructions accordingly. So I want Chika to answer this question. Chika, I ask you, kee maka njem gị na Saturday gara aga? So I'm waiting for your response, Chika. Okay? Chika, I'm waiting for your response. So answer me now. Okay? I have one other Ezenwa. Even though the way YouTube is sending your names now, I don't know. They are using your art to pass your names. Unlike before when they write your name directly, but I'm just picking it somehow. So Chika, I'm waiting for your response. So asịrị m kee maka njem gị na Saturday gara aga. Okay, njem ahụ gara nke ọma. Agara m France. Whoa, wonderful. Okay, that's great. That's great. But it should be njemu, because I asked kee maka njem gị, your journey. So your response should be njemu gara nke ọma, but all the same, you try. Agara m France. Wow. Gịnị ka ị wetere na France? Gịnị ka ị wetere na France? Anybody can answer this question. This is open to anybody. Gịnị ka ị wetere na France? But Chika is the one I'm directing it to now. Gịnị ka ị wetere na France? If you understand my question, respond now. I think your network is always dragging. Chika. Gịnị ka ị wetere na France? Okay. Can you answer that question now? Okay, while you are doing that, I want to ask Emehe one particular question. Maazị Emehe, kee maka ezinụlọ gị? Kee maka ezinụlọ gị? I want to ask Ezenwa, Princess. Okay, Princess Ezenwa, kee ka ị mere? Kee ka ị mere? Anyị ahụghị gị Saturday gara aga. Gịnị mere? Okay, I'm asking Ezenwa, anyị ahụghị gị Saturday gara aga. Ọ bụ gịnị mere? This question is going to Ezenwa directly, Princess. And I asked Mr. Emehe, I asked him, kee maka ezinụlọ gị? Each person should answer his or her own question directly. I've asked 3 questions here now for each of you. I asked Chika, okay? Ezenwa says, ezinụlọ m dị mma. Perfect. Chika said, agara m nzukọ. Okay, okay, agara m nzukọ. I went for a meeting. That's excellent. Okay, Ezenwa, I remind you, the question I asked is, anyị ahụghị gị Saturday gara aga. Gịnị mere? That is Ezenwa's question. We wait for her to respond to her question. Anyị ahụghị gị Saturday gara aga. Ọ bụ gịnị mere? Okay, Ezenwa say, m gara na New York. M gara na New York. Okay. I think you shouldn't put na again. You should just say m gara New York or agara m New York. That should be enough. Not m gara na New York. I think that na is not necessary there. Okay. Follow up to Ezenwa's question. Ị gara ime gịnị na New York? Ị gara ime gịnị na New York? Ezenwa, this is for you. Ị gara ime gịnị na New York? Question for Ezenwa. I come back to Maazi Emehe. Are we together? Emehe. I'm asking you. Okay, maybe I've already asked enough. Or let me ask one more question for personal question. Maazị Emehe. Okay. Ka ihe na-eme n'obodo America. Gịnị na-eme n'obodo America ugbu a? Gịnị na-eme na America ugbu a? I'm asking Maazị Ezenwa. Maazị Emehe Clement. Gịnị na-eme na America ugbu a? I asked Princess. Okay. I think I asked Princess one more question. Agara m ileta enyi m. Excellent. Excellent. Agara m ileta enyi m. That sentence is perfect. Nothing to add to it. Okay. I asked Emehe. Gịnị na-eme na America ugbu a? I come back to Chika. There's the last question for personal question. Kee ka obodo Senegal dị ugbu a? Kee ka obodo Senegal dị? Chika is from Senegal, is joining us from Senegal. So I'm asking particular question to her. Kee ka obodo Senegal dị ugbu a? Yes. Let's answer these questions before we return to general discussion. Yes. Okay. Waiting for Emehe's response. Waiting for Chika's response. Everyone has already answered our own question before we go to general conversation. Let's go. Two people are owing me answers, Chika and Mazi Emehe. I'm waiting for you guys before we go to general conversation. Emehe wrote, Obodo, North Carolina. Okay. What is e-letter? Okay, very good. That is one benefit of our conversation now. I want Ezenwa to answer Chika. We are in a class where we can learn from each other. We are at different levels, okay? We can learn from each other. Chika is asking, what is e-letter? Ezenwa, answer that question. You are the one who said, Agaram e-letter. Okay, very good. Chika, did you see the response? To visit, or to see, or to check on. Did you see that? That's wonderful. I love this. I'm waiting for Clement wrote Obodo, North Carolina. That is not the question I asked you, Clement. I said Guinea Neme n'obodo America Ubua. That was my question. You didn't answer that question. You wrote Obodo, North Carolina. I don't know what to do with that. That is not the response to my question. Okay. Chika is answering her own very well. Senegal de Udo. But that's not perfect. Who can correct Chika? How should she write it? That Senegal is in peace. Though she tried, but something is missing in that sentence. Senegal di Udo. Senegal di Udo. How should it be? Ezenwa or Emehe? Can you correct Chika? What is missing in that sentence? Senegal di Udo. Is that correct? I think it's not correct myself. Who can correct that sentence? Yes. Let's go. Who will correct it? Who will correct that sentence for us? Senegal di Udo. I know she's saying Senegal is in peace. We got that right. But there is a way it should be written that is more perfect than this. Who will help us? Who is helping us to correct that now? Who is doing that for us? Senegal de Udo. Senegal is in peace. Who is correcting the sentence? Something is missing there. Something is missing. Something is missing. Who will help my sister Chika to amend that sentence? If you don't, I'll do it myself. Anybody helping us out? Anyone helping us? Amaim, Clement say Amaim. Okay. How about this one? What do you say to that? Can you help out? Senegal is in peace. Can you help out? Ezenwa? Senegal is in peace. How should it be written? Clement has said he doesn't know. Amaim, which is okay. What is Ezenwa saying? Is it the same thing? Am I? If it's the same thing, just say it so I can go on and give the answer. Yes. What is Ezenwa saying? Ezenwa, we're waiting for you. We are waiting for you. Senegal, Denudo. Ooh, excellent. You're a senior student. If you do that, you're a senior student. I expected that from you. Of course. Princess had been in my private class. He had been in this live class from beginning. She has learned in many ways. She has bought ebooks. She has been in my private lesson. So I expected this. Senegal, Denudo. Correct. Nothing to add. Okay? So, Chika, did you get that? Senegal is in peace. Senegal, Denudo. Did you get that? That is the correct sentence. Confirm that you got that, Chika. So we now go for general conversation now. Ready? Yes, we begin. So we go back to our procedure again. I make the sentence. You respond, showing that you understood what I said, and you respond appropriately. Although we're already doing that, as we are progressing, but we just want to harmonize it together. So let's go together right now. So I begin. Whatever I say from now, you will respond to it as I give you directive. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. What did I say? Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. What did I say? Write it in English, not in Igbo. Don't repeat what I said in Igbo. Write the translation in English to show you understood what I said. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. Let's go. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. Who is giving us who is shooting first? Ezenwa is in first. Okay, Ezenwa is in. What are the other people saying to that? Chika. Emehe, what do you say? I want to eat orange. What about Chika? What do you say? Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. What did Chika say to that? What did I say? Waiting for you, Chika. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Chika, what do you say? If you don't understand what I say, you just say, I don't know. Am I him? Am I him, Mia? I don't know it. That way, we can move on without waiting for you. Otherwise, you give us the answer. Achọrọ m ịracha oroma. Yes, Nwada Chika. Okay. I want to eat orange. Okay, good. I know that some people's network is lagging.